So if you want to reactivate your account, just go into your account and you will see this button here. And you can also navigate to account preferences. And in this, you can see account status, and then just click on reactivate my account. Okay, and the account is now active. A couple things. So why was the account deactivated on the first place? So Google Ads is going to deactivate accounts automatically if there's no ad spend for 120 days. And this happens even you have campaigns set up, but they're not spending money. And it's not a big issue, but you might lose access to some features, especially the remarketing audiences. So if you have any remarketing audiences, they will be set to closed so that new users will not be added to those remarketing lists, or if your account is canceled or deactivated and you cannot access the API. And if you reactivate your account, you can start populating the remarketing audiences again. And also, if you don't spend money again after reactivation, I think for 90 days, so the account will get deactivated again. And you must have access, admin access to the account to reactivate it. And one key thing, make sure all the campaigns are paused, because if the account gets reactivated, then you will start spending money again. Okay, so we've checked that none of the ads are running, so this is good. It means we are not going to start spending money right away.